I look at this old software, it's quite fascinating because, at some point, we were using this, and now, how easy it is to use this software. It's amazing where we have come from where we were. I remember, when I started and when I was going to customers to train them, we used phenolic rods, which was very cheap because carbide is expensive. So we used to use the phenolic rods, grind, make sure, that at least the shape is good. Then we used to start on carbide. We used floppy disks at the time, because it was DOS-based. And I remember trying to do an update on a machine. It used to take 7 to 8 hours, and I had to go through about 8 or 10. I can't even remember how many floppy disks I used to put a release. Now you use the USB sticks to transfer. You don't even need that anymore because everything is downloaded from a server. So it's transitioned a long way from where we were before. The game changer for Anker, one was the MPG, which is the manual pulse generator, we call it. You can run through the entire program through the flywheel. The second was the probing, which actually revolutionized the industry because nobody had probing those days. Once probing came in, we could do the end of tool, we could find the helix angles, we could regrind the tools. And the third one, which was the most innovative one, is the Sim3D. You can actually simulate the tool, see exactly what you're getting on the machine to the last micron, measure the tools. All you have to do is, take the same program, put it on the machine, set up the wheels and grind. So 35 is based on reducing the cost of manufacturing. If you're manufacturing something in 5 minutes, you should be able to do that at least 15 to 20% lesser with cycle time. Main features like feed rate optimization gives you better surface finish, more wheel life. So all that is introduced in feed rate optimization where customers will have a lot of cycle time saving. So eventually, more money in their pockets because of this, and that was the whole aim of 35.1. A lot of memories comes back, when I look at all this, how I used the software those days and how software has come, how advanced we are these days.